Anybody who is in power right now, anybody who is in government right now, can harm you and walk away scot-free. Why? Because they're being protected by the same system that you expect to protect everyone. You saw what happened to Ososi in Kisumu. You saw what happened to the Mapinduzi in Keungo. You saw what happened to the security team for the governor for what is his name? Kangata. This is what is happening. You are seeing what is happening even in Bonchari right now. You can see what is happening all over. All those people, the moment they are arrested, what happens? They come out, they are bailed out. Why? Because the system is not being strict on people who are pro-government. If this is what is going to go on, remember one thing, that anybody who is in power and using this system to protect himself and inflate himself and to harm other people, when you are out of that place, when you are out of that power, do you expect to be protected? That's the position you should put yourself in. We are asking, and this president is ours. He's the president for everyone else. We have worked with him, the children that have spoken. We have worked with him. But again, there are the people who are suffering. Why should we suffer when he knows us? Why shouldn't he feel our pain? Why should he be the one to pour our blood? We need this to stop because this world is for all of us.